Yeah, right?
Oh, bud! Hit him. Somebody? Nobody? Nobody. You smacked him in the ass.
Yeah.
He's going out. You're gonna hunt that side over here. Whoever's got dogs out on this side, watch the birds that fall out there.
Yeah.
Because that's not our field. It is full of frickin'
Rob's
buffalo
got a
birds.
bird, Josh.
Oh.
It's right. What's that?
Rob's got a bird right by you.
Bud does? Oh. Bud here. Drop. Drop. Bud, you're gonna get hot. Here. You're gonna get hot. Let's do it.
Yeah, no shooting on the wings hardly, except over there.
Two got killed. One flew away. Just behind the phone hunt.
Rachel, come. Here. Come on. Baby, come on. Here.
A little more
Where?
open over here.
Yeah.
Jack, did
Here,
you shoot it?
here.
Hard to tell.
I did. I didn't think I hit it very well. You didn't shoot, Mike, did you?
The first one?
Yeah. I must have hit it, but I didn't hit it good.
Thirsty.
At least I didn't feel like I did, but it died.
He died.
I don't know who else was shooting. The problem is he could have smoked it from the outside there, and I would never know.
Goodness. Ugh.
There's one! Oh, back! Bud! Bud! Leave it!
Good
Bud.
girl, Belle.
Bud! 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 Leave it! Phoebe!
Good girl. Good job. Good job.
Bud!
Here. Good girl.
Alright, here we go!
Good job. Good job. Yeah, on the other side of the trees.
They get it? Help!
Waiting for you,
Phoebe!
Mike.
Bud! 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 Call it Bud.
Come here, Belle.
Bud! Bud!
Here.
Bud! Wrong dog. Kind of a bitch is talking wrong dog.
Come here. Belle. Here.
Quit, Bud.
Good girl.
Y'all get it?
He got
Yeah.
it. He stole it.
Oh.
Good girl.
Oh, it's a dog up there. It's a bird.
There's
Coming back.
coming back at us! No! Here's one.
Nice shot.
I think Jack got it too, though.
Hey! Bud!
Is that angle falling on the blockers?
Would that at an angle?
Yeah.
They probably got a little.
It's good if it's falling.
Yeah.
Low, but it's not, you know.
I mean, it's above. I mean, it's just
Yeah.
gonna.
I always worry about
They'll,
that a
they'll
little bit.
feel something probably.
That's where the eye
It's not-
protection is so important.
It's not where. It's not gonna be like you know.
Yeah.
They. Phoebe! There we go!
Another one!
Ruby!
Right for back.
Phoebe! when the BBs like zing by you.
Yeah.
Them are what guys usually say something about. When you can hear the whoosh.
Yeah.
Come here, bud. All right, we're good.
Did you bring your hunting shorts?
Yeah, no shit.
Oh, here.
Pushing the warmth.
Yeah.
I think I've hunted in the 70s though.
Most of the early season we were hunting in was 70s.
Yeah.
That's why we stopped hunting in, we don't hunt in September up here.
I remember we did once though.
We did for 2 years, and then we stopped after. It just got stupid.
Too hot.
Hunting like, you know, freaking 90 degrees outside, that's no fun. Nelly! It's so fun at all hunting like that hot.
Your shots up.
Coming to our blockers, guys! Ah!
Did you shoot?
I was gonna obliterate him.
I was waiting for it.
Here!
He was sitting tight.
Yeah. What is he? 6 feet in front of you?
Yeah.
Look, I can hear one.
Must have ran past him.
Oh, nope, that son of a bitch.
Yeah, he didn't look dead.
Yeah, he dropped it.
Huh.
Striker back. Bud! Kill.
Got 2 of them on it.
Yeah,
I keep going?
yeah, we'll keep going. Oh.
Come on, Bill.
Behind us.
Striker, here.
All I saw was your shells going across the face.
Yeah. Nelly!
Striker here.
Oh, Otis, here. On, Otis.
Striker shot.
Good boy. All right. Push forward nice and slow. These son of bitches are sitting like, oh. Bud, go. He's a little chargy. That's some bitch. Yeah. There you go. Get it up. There we go. Here, here.
Striker back. Here.
I don't know what's going on. Must have just... Nelly, here. Nelly, come on. Nelly. Let us catch up with you. We're a little bit behind you guys. Nice and slow.
Striker back.
Oh, wow. In the whole school?
No, that was North High
said, I know.
Coming out!
Nice shot. Come on, Otis. Fuck, Otis is out here. Come here, Otis. Otis.
One of them hit the fence.
Here.
Good girl, Belle.
Did they get one over here?
Did you guys pick up that? Oh, he's right here.
Oh, Ruby!
He's not. He got me. Pointing to. Piles and piles of rats.
Here. Up! Nellie here, let her know.
You going down the bottom? I'm just gonna make sure there's a dog over here to run down through this bottom.
Nellie here.
Chris is out there. Can you see anybody to your left out there?
Nellie.
They were out here a second ago. Come here, Belle. Oh, I think they're up here a ways.
Here.
Belle.
Oh, here.
Belle. Hey, Belle.
Nellie here.
Over here.
Oh yeah, we're way behind.
Yeah.
Come on.
Holy cow. About got judo chopped, Belle.
That rabbit's got to fight it. Now we're ahead. We gotta slow down now. Shot.
Belle, no bird. Nice shot.
Hold up.
Go, go.
I don't know where the fuck Nelly's at.
Ruby here.
I am moving. Henry, keep your gun pointed up when you're doing that. Yeah, good job. Point it that way. Right, go to here. Come on. Right to the back.
Nellie here. Otis here.
Go to here. Come on.
Otis. Otis.
Dude, that thing fell for
For a long time.
it went down.
Baby.
Belle, here. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Here, Belle, here.
Oh, Nellie. Oh, Nellie. Oh, Nellie.
Belle, Belle.
Oh, Nellie, Nellie, Nellie.
Another one.
Kona here.
Shoot it.
Yeah, buddy! Nice one!
Here.
Kona. Another one. Fuck, we got birds down absolutely everywhere.
Ruby, come on, girl. That's a good girl. Come on, Ruby. Come on, Ruby. Bring it. Ruby. Ruby. Come on. That's a good girl, Ruby. You don't do this very often, brother. Come on. Crap. Fucking Kona. Kona! Oh, it's here. Oh.
You're good.
You're good.
Belle.
One's right in front of us here.
Belle's coming right behind you. Nellie here.
Belle, here. Here, Belle. Good girl.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make a big sweep through this Sunday to find birds.
I think you're right. Yeah,
Hold up! We're gonna have to. Well, we want to walk out and then freaking walk it out and then come back and get the birds.
yeah.
I think.
Come from the corner there.
Yeah. 'Cause we got. We're gonna have to do that. Just because. All right, guys, let's walk it out.
Go.
Ruby, Ruby, Ruby.
Here.
Tyler! What's coming your way here?
Here.
Here. This is kind of what Bud's handy. He is. He's a little stronger in the retreat.
Huh.
But he gets old and gets hot. Hold on. Phoebe! All right,
Bell.
Bunker! Taking a lot.
Is he still going?
I think he. Can't fucking find Phoebe. Phoebe! I hear it. There! Nelly! Should have fucking went and filled the water tanks today. I didn't even think about being fucking
What do you think?
Chris alright out there?
Another one.
Good? Spurt out.
Coming left.
Ruby here! Otis! Otis! Adam, he hunted yesterday.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he had something going today. Okay! Here we go!
Get him, Bill.
Nelly here! On, Ruby. I know there's at least one.
Yeah.
Here! Whoa! What do you got, Nelly? Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. Go ahead, go up there, little dog. You can scare it up. Fine. Probably use butt for it. Oh, nah, that one's just dead. Just not hit.
Get him, Bill. Here.
Oh!
Kind of.
Nelly. Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Oh.
Damn bunnies.
Oh!
Woo!
That son of a bitch is pre-cleaned. Done. Ready for the table. Otis here. Otis. Got more?
You can have that one. He's not bad. He's still got breasts.
Maybe. It actually took the fucking feathers off it. I'm plucking. Baby, oh no. Come on, Ruby. That's a good girl. Ruby, come on. Ruby. All right, now I have to walk back and find fucking birds. I don't want the fucking dogs first. I'm gonna have to go back quick and look for birds. How many think we got down back there?
Fucking 4 or 5. Get him.
Coming out, yeah, coming out.
On here, on here.
Couple running in, right out down the middle here.
Is there? Belle. Here. Good girl. Good job. Good girl. Okay. Come on, Belle. Come up. Where are they at? Here. Good girl, Belle. Here. 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 Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. We'll get another one. Did you get him? Huh? Hey, hold up, guys. Right here.
Yep. Right there. Nice shot. Oh, there. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa.
Good girl, Belle. Hey, give me that, bully.
Rooster! There we go. Yeah. Nice, Henry. Nelly here, Nelly here.
Come on, Belle. Here. Here, Belle. Over here.
You got the bird?
Belle.
Here. Maybe whoa.
Here. Belle. Hey. Get up here. No bird. No bird. Got him.
Oh, man. Sorry about that. I don't know if I've ever seen a bird come completely in half.
No.
Here. Oh, that was neat.
Here, Belle. No bird.
Oh, that's here. He's got a half a
Rooster! Go, Belle! Go! 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 Go!
Hold it here! Phoebe! Hold it!
She lost him.
Come here, Otis.
You just be slow on that trigger and give me a chance.
All right. I'll wait 1 second.
Oh, what a guy.
I got the high ground for now, though. Where you at, Mike?
Right here. I'm pretty sure I shot that one, Andrew.
I shot two, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, really? We shot at the same time then. Because there were 2 or 3 misses before I shot.
Good girl. We're ready.
Okay.
Good girl.
Stop for you anyway.
Oh, that's nice.
Forrest and the Carpenter family was just trying to push them your way.
Thank you. There's one right up in the center here.
Is there?
There was a grouse that jumped in your side here a little while ago.
Oh, we got a runner ahead of us.
Right here. Coming your guys' way.
Good girl. Get ready. Get ready, Belle. Belle, Over.
Right here.
Hey, get him.
Right in that tree. Who gets it?
Here he comes. Bell. Bell. Dead bird. Back.
Two of them.
Hey, over.
Right there. Bell. In the tree.
Hey.
You ready? I'll get it.
Good girl, Belle. Hey, here. Hey, dead bird. Dead bird, back. Good girl.
One more in there?
Mike, I'm at 12. What are you?
14.
Oh, shit.
You're never supposed to say your number first.
Oh. I had to take a knee there. I was so worried about the knock shot. This corner's always freaking.
Yeah.
I'll slide this way, Mike.
Hold up, let these guys get up a little farther.
Come on, wingers, gotta get up.
Hold up. Ah, Brian!
Oh, he was dead when I shot. He's low.
He's hurt.
He's pretty low from that angle.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, that's fun.
Hey, here, here.
He says I can't
Drop.
bring him up.
Hey, fetch. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Shots up, guys, shots up. Dog's got a bird at the end. Is that what it feels like to carry birds?
Can't fit any more in mine.
There you go.
Get a little worried. Oh!
Come on, Belle. Come on. Hurry.
Hurry. Oh.
Come here, Belle. Belle, fetch. Here. 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 Woo. Good girl. Drop. Maybe.
Oh, come on, kiddo. Oh, shoot.
Fetch. Good girl. Here. 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 Hey.
This
Oh.
would have been cool to have on video.
Oh, nice shot.
I think I got him the second time.
Got him both times, didn't you?
I think. The first one wasn't very good. Not shooting great.
Good girl, Belle. Good girl.
Oh, you look good. Good.
Good job.
And you got all those dogs beating her there, and she's still going.
Yeah. Good girl, Belle.
Good girl. You tired? Surely there can't be more.
I wouldn't think so.
I think the little guy over there got that one.
Yeah.
Dang.